Hello friends, only Aadhaar card address can be updated directly through online. Other than that, for your children's, if you are first time applying for Aadhaar card or if you want to update your Aadhaar card name, date of birth, mobile number, email ID, gender, photo, fingerprint, for all these things, there is no option in online. You should directly go to Aadhaar Enrollment Center. But instead of going to Aadhaar Enrollment Center and waiting in queue for long time, you can book an appointment in well advance, so that you can go to Aadhaar Enrollment Center in that particular appointment time and you can finish your work quickly. In online, you can book the appointment. In Google, if you search UIDAI, like this one web page will open. Click that page. Like this Aadhaar official page will open. In the home page, click the option My Aadhaar. Like this many options will come. In this book my appointment, one option will be there. Click that option. Like this one page will open. In this page they have clearly mentioned in Aadhaar Enrollment Center what are the details you can update. Next, please scroll down this page. If you scroll down, you can see one option like this, book appointment. Click that option. Initially it will ask for your mobile number. In that place you enter your mobile number which is linked with your Aadhaar card. Below that you fill the code which was mentioned there. Finally click the option send OTP. You will get an OTP in your mobile number. Enter that OTP here and click the option submit. In next page, two options will come like this. Suppose if you are going to apply new Aadhaar card for your children, then click on new enrollment option. I am going to update my Aadhaar card. So I clicked on update Aadhaar option. Next it will ask for name and Aadhaar number. In that place, you enter your Aadhaar number and write the name as per mentioned in the Aadhaar card. Below that, it will ask what you want to update. In that place, you select the options what you want to update. I am selecting email ID and biometric for update and clicked the proceed option. Which mail ID I like to update with my Aadhaar card now, that mail ID I has to mention here and then I clicked the option save and proceed. In next page, select the condition and click the option submit. Your request for the appointment got submitted. Next, you have to click the option book appointment. In this place, you can type your area pin code or you can type your area name to find out your nearby enrollment center. And you can select the Aadhaar Enrollment Center which is nearby your area. Like this, it will show many available appointment time. Here, you can select the date and time as per your choice and book the appointment. You have to go to that enrollment center on your appointment time so that you can complete your work very easily.